students, here we are just going to solve the exercises of lesson 4 clauses. First exercise in front of you, choose the correct option. A dash is a group of words having a subject and a finite form of a verb. What is called? That is clause. Next is an adverb clause of time is introduced by the conjunction when. Third is conditional sentence are also called if clauses. Now come to exercise B. Underline the clause and write the kind of sentence. First one, you may go wherever you like. You have to underline wherever you like, and this is adverb clause. Next one, I met a girl whose eyes were blue. Already I just lined up that sentences, what are the clauses, and here all the kinds are given. So second is adjective clause. Third, we expect that we will win a prize, and this is noun clause. Next one, if you make a promise, you should keep it. If you make a promise, this one is adverb clause. Next, I want to know what had happened. What had happened? Noun clause. Sixth, we shall wait at the railway station until you come. Until you come is the clause, and this is adverb clause. Seventh, Mahesh feared that he would probably fail in the exams. Here the clause is that he would probably fail in the exams. This is noun clause. Eighth point, I remember the town where I grew up. Where I grew up is adjective clause. Next one, she would repair the computer if it broke down, and this one is adverb clause. 10th point, if you drink this, you will stay young forever. If you drink this is a clause, and this is adverb clause. 11th point, Nitin told me that he met my brother in Delhi. That he met my brother in Delhi, that is noun clause. Now next, last one, I know the place which you mention. Underline which you mention, and this is adjective clause. Now come to exercise C. Fill in the blanks with suitable clauses. First one is adjective clause. You have to fill. I know the place where I was born. Student, these are the suggestion. You can fill this one or your choice by yourself. You can change the sentence also. Now next one, this is the book which you want. Third, he laughs best who laughs last. I found the mobile which I lost. Mary had a little lamb whose fleece was white as snow. Now come to second, noun clause. He replied that he would come. Next, I do not know what I wants. Once again, I do not know what he wants. Next one, no one knows who he is. We cannot understand how it all happened. Next one, she expects that she will get a prize. Now you have to fill the adverb clauses. First sentence, you may sit wherever you like. Second, you will win if you work hard. Third, his father died because he was ill. Next, he rested when evening came. Last one, I would have stopped if I had completed my work. Now come to D exercise. Complete the sentences using adverb clauses as indicated. This exercise is very important. Already indication is given in bracket. First you have to use adverb clause of place. One can concentrate better where there is no noise. Second, you have to fill adverb clause of place. Please keep the house keys where they will be safe. Next is the bus halted. You have to fill adverb clause of place where there was a restaurant. Fourth point, fill adverb clause of time. The train arrived when the clock struck 12. Now adverb clause of condition. Condition already. If clause is there. If you work hard, you will be able to top this year's exams. Sixth point, fill adverb clause of condition. I will give you this book if you return it on time. Next is adverb clause of time. Don't disturb while he is reading. Next you have to fill adverb clause of purpose. We eat so that we may live. Ninth point, adverb clause of time. Reena has not seen her sister since she left Delhi. And last sentence is adverb clause of condition you have to fill. If she does not perform well, she will be dismissed. Students, learn these exercises properly. If you are having the book, fill it in your book. No need to write in copies. If you don't have book, write all the exercise in your notebooks. Now next exercise is learner's drill. Write the conditional sentence as per the direction given. This is for your homework. Do practice. Learn very well. Thank you, students.